Here at Contra Costa Powersports, we have a 2015 Honda CBR300R. This bike only has 324 miles and is offered for $37.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. This is a great entry-level super sport, great commuter bike. In addition to all the nice stock features, including ABS, this has an amazing sounding and looking Yoshimura exhaust. That's about a $500–600 exhaust installed on there. The previous owner also put some nice frame sliders on there on both sides. And other than that, she's dialed in and ready to go. We did an oil change and a safety check on it, and she's ready to be ridden home. We can provide financing as well as an extended warranty on this bike. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, where at any given time we'll have 35 to 40 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one.